Hi, welcome to Alfa Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2018 68 plate Alfa Romeo Giulia. Now this is the Tecnica model, so it comes very well specified from the factory. Comes with all the bells and whistles inside. So looking around the car, it's finished in arguably one of the most desirable colours, which is the Alfa Red paintwork. I think it suits the car beautifully well. Obviously, features wise, aggressive body styling, so we've got a nice aggressive front bumper with a sort of flared lower lip, extended side skirts, a nice rear diffuser with the integrated dual exhaust. We've got parking sensors, we've got privacy glass, bright silver window surrounds, and we're riding on these lovely 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. All four alloys, they're in nice order, riding on nice tyres throughout. Now, the real seller on this car is the colour combination. So the Alfa Red, coupled with those lovely titanium alloy wheels, inside you get a lovely dual tone sports interior. So on the bolsters you'll find that lovely red ebony grained leather, which I think suits the car beautifully. Looking at the bolsters, where you tend to pick up most of your wear, they're in fantastic order. The centres are in a lovely charcoal cloth, so that just allows the seat to breathe, and it's nicer sitting in the seat on a hot summer's day. We've got the freeway memory functions for the seat, full electric buttons, so you can fully adjust it electrically. We've got our park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, child lock for the rear, central locking. Quickly looking through to the rear, that's in superb order, so I'd say very frugal use in the back of there. We've got Isofix in the bottom for our child seats. We've got 3 seat belts, so you can seat 3 adults comfortably. We've got the rear vents for the climate control, so your rear passengers get the full benefit of that. We've got a USB for phone charging, so ideal if you've got children, they can charge the phones as you're driving along. And then looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched, all the netting is still intact. Quickly looking through to the boot, a nice wide loading area which then stretches all the way back. Big boot, you can definitely get all your shopping in there. Under there you'll also find your tyre inflation kit. Got the reversing camera on this vehicle, which is found just there. Jumping inside, close the door, stop the beeping. So inside the car, it doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in, doesn't smell like it's ever had pets in there. Looking at the places where you tend to find wear, so on your grab handle, that's in nice order. Steering wheel itself, there's no signs of any sort of large nicks from rings or rubbing away. Gear shifter, that's in nice order as well, no large scratches on the gloss black. And then central armrest again, fantastic order, no signs of any sort of elbow rubs. But then specification wise, an impressive vehicle. So we've got the park folding mirrors, we've got our central locking, we've got our automatic lights, automatic wipers, a full leather multifunction steering wheel which is flat bottomed. Your starter button is actually on the steering wheel like a Ferrari sports car, and you do get a lot of that Italian styling. So even looking at the air vents, looking at the shape of the dashboard, the way it sort of wraps around you, and then the lovely dual tone red and black interior, looks fantastic. On the steering wheel we've got our voice command Bluetooth phone, all of our volume and media controls. You've got your lane deviation assist. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 10,250 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. And then coming through to the center display. The Alfa Infotainment System is very nice and easy to use. So you've got your radio there, so it's a full DAB radio, FM as well, so you've got all the extended channels. You've got your multimedia, you've got your Bluetooth phone, satellite navigation, a very nice and easy system to use that. Then you've got all your car settings, car information, eco data, and your owner's manuals. Climate control, it's a dual zone climate, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. We've got another nice USB found just in there. 2 central cup holders, center scroll wheel for the display. You've got the DNA drive, dynamic neutral, and then obviously your volume and media controls as well. But a nice car, well kept. If you'd like any further information on this vehicle, or if you'd like anything further at all, so say a personalised video, if you like more images, or you'd just like to book a viewing, please do get in touch. So I always recommend also having a look at our reviews. So reviews do help. We're a 5-star dealer. We've got roughly 500 5-star reviews, and they're all from verified buyers. That's on Auto Trader. So if you go through to our Facebook page, you'll notice people coming from all over the country to collect our vehicles. You'll see the level of stock that we carry here at Alfa Motors. You'll see the numerous awards that we've won over the years. But thank you for watching the video. At the moment we are trying to work via appointments, so please do get in touch before coming down. On sales there's myself, Dominic, there's my colleagues Lee, and there's Graham, so any one of us would be happy to help you. You can reach us on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alfamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.